Chef Busy. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys do well. I'm traveling to Pakistan via Saudia Airlines, so I'm just gonna show you guys what it's be like to be on Saudia Airlines. Let's go. There's literally no one here. Alright, so just go here at the airport, did my check-in and alhamdulillah everything was alright. But there's a story that I want to tell you guys. So what happened was, booked my flight and everything. Just a week before my flight was due, I just had to look at my passport and guess what? Oh man, it was gonna expire while I'm in Pakistan. So and I'm so lucky that I got an emergency appointment booked and I went to Liverpool and got my passport. If it was meant to happen, it was meant to happen. You can't do anything about that. I was just helpless at the last minute, but alhamdulillah, he helped me before my flight was due.
May I have
had
your
a
attention?
yeah.
Please help
Also,
to reduce the
alright.
number of security alerts.
Your foods obviously get prepared by some of third-party companies. Sometimes it's good and sometimes it's bad. Alright, so the boarding pass wasn't working, so I had to scan the one on the phone. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, what my seat number is, let's see. 59A, all the way back. The window seat, the one and only. I had a window seat, but guess what? That's my seat right there. And it's an imaginary window here. So we got some couscous here, some rice and lamb. The usual bread, some butter and orange juice. Looks fantastic. Just got given this ice cream. Oh, it's still cold. Wow, look at that. That looks delicious, right? Wow. Delicious. Bit of that couscous as well. Wow. Yo, stay here, please. Yalla. Very nice. It's got vanilla beans inside. Welcome to Saudi. That's how you do the checking in Saudi. Nice and easy. So here's a cool thing about Pakistan, yeah. So once you get into like a ATM machine here, they play some sort of a music on the background. Can you hear it? Oh my days. I got some here. lentils and rice, brown lentils, yellow lentils, some of the yogurt sauce, red onions, and a bit of those chutney. Alright, so I'm trying this. Bismillah. Very nice. Alhamdulillah, Pakistan is great, you know. A lot of things have changed here. It's more secure, I would say. But you know, before, like, it was crazy. They used to do bombings like every other week.